Hey team, here's our shop floor pour from yesterday, or a garage floor, garage, garage. It's an extra syllable in there I can't seem to master, but I just don't have the time to learn now, so you get what you get. We're using a 5 to 8% air mixture, 32 MPa, which is 4300 psi. Now, it's probably a smart idea to have air in a mix like this because the sides are going to be exposed to winter and that freeze-thaw cycle, so it's probably the right call. First things first, we got to pour it and screed it. 13.5 feet wide. I'm using an 11-foot board so I can do it in one shot. I'm making sure to pull that edge. That edge is the most important in keeping a flat floor. So pull the edge with your board, then float it off. Since we had the pump, we just drove him out to the front and we pumped our footing, which was just under 2 meters of concrete. Also has air, good to go. So we're kind of in the shade, and I had this other little fix-it job to do. The builder had a problem with the painter and they spilled some stuff all over a patio we did last year. So I figured we got the time, let's sneak over there and wash that. Little dog toy got in the way, not for long. See ya. Anyway, we moved all the stuff and we gave it a really good wash, and now horror stories have started in the same manner where you think you have enough time to get back to your floor and you don't. But I'm pretty good with timing and we were fully in the shade, so we snuck away for just under 2 hours, washed it, and we got back and it was perfect timing. We're still in the shade. We have a 0.5% calcium in this stuff, so I was a little worried, but not too worried. I knew I could fight it. There's the sun creeping in right there. And now what we're going to do here, we're going to do a triple float hand wipe. So we don't want to trap the air. When you have air in the mix and you're running a power trowel, you want to leave it as long as possible in between hits. And everything is important, from sliding your power trowel before you start it up, to sliding your boots, to lifting your knee boards properly. You're going to pull air. It's just going to leave chunks and it's going to make a huge mess. So I break the floor one way, I break it the other way, and now here's the third pass. So I still have my float blades on. I'm not using any steel trowels. Then after this pass, we're going to trowel it out by hand. And this is just going to make sure that we get a smooth wipe on the top and we're not pounding that air in with the power trowel, steel trowel blades. We pulled that machine off while it still had the float blades on. Now, another benefit of this floor is it's going to get covered. He's going to paint it or he's going to grind it for epoxy, so it doesn't need to be perfectly smooth. So that's the finished product there. And then we finished up about 3:30, around 3. So it went really good. We hand wiped it, and then I made my way over to seal about 1,500 square feet of this timber plank. I washed off all that paint residue as best as I could, and it's looking brand new again. Clients are happy, builder's happy, I'm happy.